what you're doing out here? You sure you know what you're doing out here? Hey, are you fucking with me? Are you being serious? Huh? Hey, are you fucking with me? Are you always this funny? Alright, I bet I should ask if you're okay first. Are you okay?
I gotta catch my breath. I broke my clutch, I think.
Whoa,
Pick my bike up, please.
yeah, something's leaking out of here.
I don't like it here.
Yeah, this place
I
sucks.
can't breathe. No.
Is it that bad?
I just gotta catch my breath.
I see your pants are ripped. What's your knee doing? How'd you fuck your knee up?
Oh,
You come down on a rock?
no.
You need us to call the ambulance.
No. Fucking.
This shit is too damn soft to be on.
I thought he was joking at first.
No, dude, it fucking bucks me around.
Because he wrecked literally 2 seconds ago over there.
Oh my god.
And then he came back around and wrecked right
My
here.
fucking knee is hurting, bro.
Yeah, you did something to it.
I'm fucking.
I think you hit it on that rock right there, where right your legs at.
Shit.
I can't catch my breath.
Oh yeah, your clutch is gone.
Uh,
Yep. Your clutch lever's toast.
oh. Oh.
Where the fuck did that go? It's around here
Somewhere
somewhere.
here. Yeah, I don't
It's
like
right
it
there
here.
behind you. You're sitting on it.
I'm fine, I just can't catch my breath.
Probably fucked your ribs up.
No.
Too damn hot.
Knocked the wind out of you or something.
Yeah.
I like that chain a little loose.
Oh.
Yeah, it is a little bit loose, huh?
Time for a new tire.
Yeah, it's too sandy here, dude. It's fucking me around. I can't ride it. That one I flew with my handlebars. That was pretty cool.
Yeah, I saw you wreck over there, and I'm like, okay, you know, that wasn't too bad.
No, it fucking like sauced me.
Yeah, and I wonder if your clutch lever was already broke at that point.
I broke over here.
Did it?
It's right there under you.
Oh. They got him here. I saw that. In the,
20 bucks.
There ain't nobody out here though, you know what I mean? It's really just us. He's probably gonna take off. I'll probably stay at least for another hour or so.
If I go up this way, it'll lead me.
What's that?
If I go up this way, will it lead me to like the parking lot?
Yeah, this way's the parking lot, yep.
Is that a Raptor?
Yes sir, Raptor Man on YouTube.
Your buddy's, what's that?
Oh, is he wrecked again? Again?
The CR?
Yeah.
Yeah, he just asked me to come get you.
Oh my god.
What'd you say about YouTube?
Raptor Man on YouTube. This will all be there, dude. This kid's a character. I swear to God, he's wrecked 3 times already.
Yeah.
You were up here?
Yeah.
How'd you end up this way? You come back down?
Well, I fucking wrecked right here. He fucking ran me right off.
Oh shit. We can do it again. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. I went down in the soft shit, so thank fuck for that.
Alright, we gotta get the bike turned around. Let's see, it's probably in gear still, right?
Yeah.
Should be. Watch out, I'm coming back. All right. Yeah, you got it?
Yeah. I'm gonna get on from the other side.
Yep.
Hey, you dropped $5.
Oh shit.
Right under your foot.
Oh cool. Thanks, dude. That was gonna be for the hot dogs, but they're not here.
It's in first.
No, it ain't. It should be in neutral.
Oh, okay.
Hang on. Hold it up. Hold it up.
Trying.
Try it. Try it. Try it again.
Nothing.
Oh shit.
I don't know if I'll be able to do it right here like this.
Yeah, you can. Just give it hell, just like last time.
Okay.
You did perfect.
Okay.
Hold it. Okay, like go against me.
Okay.
Oh shit, I just pulled it out. Fuck. Try it. Alright, I got it. Put it in first. Put it in first. Get ready, go. You ready?
No. I gotta have my hand here. I can't.
Can't do it?
Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god.
Shit.
Ooh.
Alright, can somebody else ride this?
We gotta back it. No, I gotta back it down here more, and this is too much on a hill. I gotta get a run on it first.
it's crazy.
Where did he wipe out at?
Right here.
Oh, shit.
Right at the end of those tires. If you come down here, there's a turn. Right where you just went, there's a turn right there, U-turn, and he fucking hit it and just somehow flew right over.
So he's coming this way?
Yeah.
And then he fucking, yeah, I mean, was he, oh, he was turning.
Yeah, he was turning around to come back this way.
Oh, and then as he was turning, he wiped out?
2 miles an hour.
That fucking boulder fucking got him off.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know what happened.
Yeah.
It was great, though.
I wonder how much you can see because of all this fucking dirt.
Oh, I got the whole thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, over here's cool, too. Check this out.